Yo, what's happening? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever it is to you. We're back again with another one, guys. Me and Terry. Yo, first of all, we want to say a big thank you to the bumper reveal video. Everyone who liked it, everyone who viewed it. The freaking video hit over 1,000 views in 3 days. We got a decent amount of subscribers off of it, and we just want to extend our utmost gratitude and appreciation to you guys just for helping that video do as well as it did.
Especially all the new subscribers.
Yes, especially with all the new subscribers.
We this close to 500, and then it's gonna be 1,000.
Yup.
So.
And you know, 500 is the next giveaway. Fumoto drain valve and a couple little extra goodies. Also, after that, let's smash this like button. Let's smash the subscribe button, because after the Fumoto drain valve, we hit 100 likes on that junkyard video.
Oh yeah, that's true.
That's true. And I told you guys that we didn't forget, and we're not gonna do you dirty like that. 100 likes for that video means 3.7 manifold. We're gonna get one and we're gonna have it as a giveaway, but that won't be until we hit 1,000 subscribers. So, hey, you want a free 3.7 manifold? Tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell your brothers, tell your sisters, tell your cousins, tell everybody. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and just rock with the team.
Yeah.
We got big plans, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm actually like patiently waiting for the weather to get warmer. And
Yeah.
It's just so frustrating. It's like,
We just got hit with another snowstorm, so that's why there was the delay in the video. Listen, guys, this is how much content is just coming from my car alone. Check this out. Not to mention just Terry's, because we're at my house right now and Terry don't even have his car, his stuff here. Terry has his side skirts here, but that's it. Everything else for his is at his house. But just here, look, we got my panels, the grills for the bumper, battery relocations times two. We're doing, both cars are getting battery relocations. The new fuse box holder with the fuse. I got some nice, they're in here somewhere. Yeah, look at that. The terminals. Yeah. Manifolds, new valve covers, port and polished runners inside that mess right there. Terry's Type S side skirts. Oh, and the bumper everybody loves, you know. It's right here because we're working on the grill. I'm also going to be cutting this out, and I'm going to just make my own shark mouth, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Other than that, just smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, you know what to do. And let's get it. Today we're going to be doing some mesh for the bumper, so let's go. Yo, don't judge me on my way of doing this. We don't have metal shears right now. I'm so tempted to just go to Norfolk and buy them.
I think it will make it a little bit easier.
It'll save us so much time. We just fucking cut it like butter. Should we just go to Norfolk?
I think so. I think so, because this shit, one by one.
Yo, but I mean, hey,
It's off.
it's going.
The only thing that sucks is that we have to do this so many more times.
Yeah, let's go to Norfolk.
Alright, we'll be back. So this is what happens when you buy the right tools for the right job.
Yeah, guys, get the right tool. Look at this. This thing cuts like fucking butter. Like, I was struggling before. This thing just literally just snips it. Look, I'm so far away from it now. It's hard to reach. Look at this. Oh, butter.
Just like that.
Look at how rough this first section is, and then it just cleans up. Get the right freaking tools, people.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. It's out now, and the edges is cut off. That shit literally took us with the right tool, what, maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes?
Yeah.
It was just snipping all, and look, everything's cut nice. So we good to go. Let's get some molding this to the back of the bumper. Let's do this. All right, guys, here's a little quick sneak peek. There you see the mesh. It's there. That's the first one. What? They look good. So it's gonna be there. It's gonna be here. I don't think we're gonna quite do this pocket yet, just because I think me and Terry are gonna figure out a way to run a little duct system there into the brakes for cooling. But we haven't glued it in, we just cut it out and made it to shape. And then obviously this whole thing's gonna get cut out and we're gonna do a shark mouth there. We have a sufficient amount of grill. So we just got this one done and we gotta do the corners. Shouldn't be that bad.
Alright guys, so progress has been made. As you can see, the grill's done. Nice shiny black. We have to ignore the zip ties. The zip ties are here because we're gonna be using the goop. And we want to make sure that these metal pieces like stay in place, so when the goop dries, it actually like holds the grill where we want it. So that's why there's like zip ties all over the place. Don't worry, it's just primer. If it gets messed up, then you know, just re-primer. But oh my god, it looks so much better. And I wish we could take it outside right now and see how it looks, but it's actually dark outside. Yeah, 6 o'clock is that time where it's like, yeah, same time. But for the most part, it looks really, really good. This project's not like back-breaking or tiring, but it looks really, really good.
You can barely see them from here, but yeah, guys. So it's really easy to do a DIY grill. I painted these gloss black. It's super simple. You just have to trace out the hole where you're putting the mesh over, and then cut it out and bend to shape. So I did that. I made sure they fit all snug. Now we got them held tightly where we want them with the zip ties, like Terry already pointed out. And we just used the automotive goop. But
it was just enough.
Just enough. Barely just enough.
Yeah.
So fingers crossed it works. We're gonna wait obviously till tomorrow and see how it comes out. It's probably not gonna make it into this video. It'll probably make it into the next video. But if you're on Instagram, Instagram sees it first.
Sneak peeks.
Sneak peeks.
People.
So peeping toms. So make sure you follow the Instagram. And yeah, it's coming out pretty good. I really like this. Now just imagine when I put the carbon lip and splitter. That's gonna look sweet.
And the shark mouth.
And
Custom.
then the shark mouth.
Shark.
Oh yeah, custom. So we're gonna take Dremel. We're gonna cut right here on both sides. Remove this entire section in the middle. I'm gonna actually see if Bruce has this piece right here in carbon, because I would really like to get that carbon trim right here.
Probably hit him up like tonight.
I probably will. So Bruce, if you're watching this, I'm texting you. Yeah, so we're gonna cut this out. I'm gonna put the mesh in the background here, but this is a whole process of how to do this. I know how to do it. I'll probably show you guys a how-to video on that, right? Yeah, because if you want the shark mouth but you can't afford it, or you can't afford to put it in the budget right now, there's a simple way to actually make your own. Not that I'm knocking Bruce, because he's awesome and I love you, Bruce. But right now it's kind of out of budget. So plus I'm going with a full custom front end. Why not just do a custom shark mouth, right? Once we do that, see if Bruce can get me this trim black. I mean, not black, carbon. And then I'll put the same mesh up here so that it flows with the bumper. And I actually, where's that other piece? Oh, it's right behind you.
Oh, this piece.
Yeah. We actually have just enough mesh to fit. It's like perfect. We had enough mesh for the entire bumper. So I couldn't see what I was filming because this GoPro's just screenshot off black. So if it looks like ass, my bad. Hey, so yeah, drop a like on this video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the bumpers process and how we keep going. It's gonna be killer once it's all said and done and it's painted. I officially picked the paint color. It's gonna be nice right there. It's gonna be sweet. Yeah, smash that subscribe button. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video, even though this one's probably a short one. And yeah, just appreciate all your support, all your continued support. And I want to make this car show worthy, so let's keep going. And the more support we get, the deeper this project becomes, right?
It's already getting deep. Once this weather gets warmer, it's on.
Yeah, I have a really stupid idea for this car that's like really fucking stupid, but like really awesome at the same time, right?
Like donk stupid.
Yeah. But that can't happen unless we get the support of you guys, and it's free, so just hit that subscribe button, like the video, and join us to keep the progress going on this thing. It's definitely, when it's 100% done and complete, it's definitely gonna be one off everything and something that no one's ever done. And I have big plans for this. It's just New England sucks, yeah. But anyways, enjoy the video. Peace.